Hello there, welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this quick video I've got some new update for you concerning Nodepay. Now this is the withdrawal or the claiming of my airdrop to my wallet. Remember in the last video I felt that the withdrawal fees or the network fees was quite high based on what was written there, so I decided to skip it and wait. So today we're going to complete that transaction because I just discovered that it's not as high as I thought. So I'm going to take you through it right now. But before we get there, you want to give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe if you've not yet. And also, let's check my airdrop balance. It is 72.6 NC token. All right. And we can also check the value of NC token right now. So let's come here and check it. I come here, let's check for NC, this Nodecoin. All right, let's use the one from KuCoin and check. Okay, not doing well at the moment, still not doing well. Currently, it's at 0.08969, not doing well yet. Yes, across board, altcoins, meme coins don't seem to be doing well today or lately, and maybe this may just be a springboard they will be needing to shoot up. Let's hope so. Okay, so let's get back to it. So I'm going to remember to always check in. I don't have plenty of referrals here, and you can see my activities. So not much, and yet I got 72. Okay, so now this is it, and it's waiting for me to claim it, and that is it here. If I come here, this is it. My wallet, I just clicked on claim. Remember what is put here to make sure I have at least 0.02 to 0.05 so for network fees. However, by the time I entered here, it's requesting for my signature. Request source claim.node foundation.ai asset change estimated minus 0.00481908 so, and I'm claiming 72.6 NC signature. The address is here, the network Solana. Estimated network fee is 0.000 so, and which is less than wow cents. Okay, let's agree. Remember now, before I even get there, let me quickly open my wallet. Let's open my wallet so that you see my Bitget wallet. All right, let's see. I have $12 there in any case. I think it may not open right now, so until I complete. So I have about $12. Okay, it's opening. Let's see. Okay, it's still the same claim that is opening. It's still the same claim that's opening. So I just have to claim. Let's agree and claim it. Let's agree and claim it. All right. What? No, 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 no. That can be. Yeah, but okay. Let's try. Okay, this is the old balance on this. So I think this is the old balance before the last transaction. So I think I just need to move. Okay, look at this is it now. This is updated now. Okay, so all right. So at this point, let's check. Okay, so what happens is I'm going to repeat this. When we receive that, we will receive the token. I will quickly complete the video so that we'll see what it's worth when received. Okay, so all right, so let's quickly check it has arrived in the wallet, and let's quickly check it. All right, you can see here this is NC token 72.6. It has arrived here now. So next thing to do is to go to next to staking portal so I can quickly stake it. This is what you should do with your Node coin. As soon as you receive it, stake it. All right, so you can see it here now. It's here. So next thing to do is to scroll down to stake it. All right, so here I am now. I stake now max. So I stake. Okay, so wants to it's request. Okay, so I agree. Now to go successfully deposited. So I've staked it now. Rewards 4.16 rather. So stake this now. So 34 days is going to be locked. All right. So let's allow it grow. So make sure you allow yours to grow also. That's what you should do with your Notecoin as soon as you receive it. So quickly, let's get here and check to see how much was taken. So if we come here and tap on this, you can see it was 0.005 before. So and that one. So it has been removed now. Okay, now zero now 0.02 has been removed in total because of the staking, the fee that was paid for stake. If you check here now, you can see the activities. You can see the activities right there. So okay, so you can see, so it's beautiful, it's good. All right, so about $5 have been removed now from the staking. So apparently we have given about $5 to the staking 0.02, both for staking and for receiving it, which is not much in any case. So let's hope that this will grow, that Notecoin will grow to up to $1. All right, you want to give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.